This is John with WATI, and I like to switch things up from time to time with my breakfast or any meal, or even if it's something sweet that I want during the day. And this is where this Quaker mix and set of different flavors of instant oatmeal comes into place. The one with cinnamon, uh, brown sugar, or apple. It's just you get whatever you want in here. Yeah, it is even fun because most of the times one of the things I like the most from here is just go in random and just take one of these guys in this box and just have the curiosity of what am I gonna fix or what am I gonna do or gonna eat for the day, and it's really nice. So I mix this with a little bit of more instant oatmeal, normal, a little bit of honey sometimes, or a cocoa, or a little bit of frozen strawberries, and it's just gonna taste great and it's gonna do the job. So for me, being convenient is one of the most important things because I have limited time for cooking or doing things that are gonna take me too much time, and this guy here just fix everything for me in that case. This was John with ATI. That's my point of view.